In this video, we can talk about top 5 BambooHR alternatives and competitors. Welcome to our Alternatives Code channel. If you have come here looking for popular alternatives to BambooHR, a leading HR management software, you chose the right time. In this video, we will examine top 5 alternatives of BambooHR, which are run by ADP, Paychex, Paylocity, Rippling, and Zoho People Plus. Without further ado, let's dive into the top 5 BambooHR alternatives. Our first alternative is Run by ADP. Run by ADP is a comprehensive HR software that offers personalized payroll services to meet the specific needs of your business. It offers features like personalized payroll, scheduling, compliance management, and compensation management. The platform also provides tax compliance assistance, ensuring your business stays compliant with regulations. And one standout feature of Run by ADP is its intuitive interface, making it simple for HR professionals to navigate and use efficiently. Next up is Paychex. Paychex is a powerful HR solution for businesses of all sizes and comes with an array of features to streamline HR processes. It offers features like assessment management, benefits management, and time-off systems. With Paychex, you can ensure accurate and timely payroll while efficiently managing your HR tasks. The standout feature of Paychex is its robust reporting capabilities, allowing you to gain valuable insights into your workforce. Moving on, we have Paylocity. Paylocity is a cloud-based HR and payroll platform that offers an extensive suite of features with a focus on customization and task management. It offers features like quick edit templates, custom checklists, task tracking, and automatic payouts. With its intuitive user interface, businesses of all sizes can efficiently manage their HR operations. Not to forget, it also comes with a standout feature, which is its advanced reporting and analytics capability to provide valuable insights into your workforce, enabling you to make data-driven decisions. Our fourth alternative is Rippling. Rippling is a modern HR platform that simplifies HR and IT operations. It offers features like full-service payroll, applicants tracking, and learning management. With Rippling, you can automate various HR processes, saving valuable time and minimizing errors. Rippling's integrated IT management capabilities is one of its standout features, allowing you to manage employee devices, software licenses, and security settings from a single platform. Last but not the least, we have Zoho People Plus. Zoho People Plus is a robust HR management software suite that comes with an extensive range of features to enhance employee management. It offers features like attendance tracker, shift management, and time-off management. The software also provides seamless integration with other Zoho applications, allowing you to create a unified ecosystem for your business operations. And one of the standout features of Zoho People Plus is its powerful analytics and insights, enabling you to gain valuable HR metrics to drive strategic decision-making. Compared to BambooHR, run by ADP focuses on comprehensive HR solutions, including payroll, employee hours tracking, and benefits administration. In comparison, BambooHR offers a more streamlined approach to HR management, focusing on employee data, onboarding, and time-off management. If you prioritize a comprehensive HR solution with robust payroll capabilities, run by ADP may be the best alternative for you. Paychex caters to businesses of all sizes, offering scalable HR solutions with a particular focus on employee self-service and performance management. Paylocity shines with its customizable reporting and analytics capabilities, enabling data-driven decision-making. Rippling simplifies HR and IT operations and seamless integration alongside core HR functionalities. Zoho People Plus stands out with its powerful analytics and insights capabilities, enabling you to gain valuable HR metrics. After thorough research and analysis, we recommend Paylocity as the best alternative to BambooHR. Paylocity offers a comprehensive suite of HR and payroll features, including payroll processing, benefits administration, and talent management. Its customizable reporting and analytics capabilities provide valuable insights into your workforce. Paylocity's focus on data-driven decision-making, combined with its comprehensive HR functionalities, makes it a strong contender for businesses seeking an alternative to BambooHR. We hope this comparison has provided you with valuable insights to make an informed decision regarding the best HR management software for your business needs. Thanks for watching. Please like and share this video if you find it useful. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get notified when we create more such useful videos.